Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how you can remove the unnecessary stickering from your bike. So the Hornet comes with this tribal tattooish kind of design which I didn't like, but I like the orange striping on the bike, so I wanted to keep the orange striping but remove this tattooish design. Now as you can see, I have already removed the sticker from the sides, so I'll teach you on this front fairing. So to do this, you only need a blade like this, and what you need to do is you need to take the blade and run it very gently right alongside the line of the sticker. You have to do it very gently and you have to make sure you don't scratch the blade. Use the sharp edge of the blade to lift the sticker, and once you lifted the sticker you can just peel it off very gently. Make sure you do it gently so that you do not damage the part of the sticker you want to keep. After that you will see some marks, but these marks can be removed by just rubbing it with a cloth and cleaning it. And now we'll do the other side and we'll take a closer look. So there you can see how the raised part of the sticker looks, and you have to run the blade very gently. You can see the line going through it. Just pick it up with the blade. You can see it a lot clearly in this video. Now you have to peel it off. Just peel it off in the opposite direction so that you don't damage the stickering. And that's all, guys. Now you can see the stickering has been removed. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other things that you want DIY hacks for, just leave it in the comment and I will try to find a solution for your problem.